Hey guys, so do you want to get Baitcoins in the game Fishing Planet? Well, today in the mod menu, I can show you how to download this with unlimited coins. So let me just turn it on right here, just so you guys can see this actually works. So let's see if the coins start increasing or not, because it might not work, but I think it works. So let's see if it is going to work for us or not on Fishing Planet. And yeah, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. Works on iOS and Android, so you can actually get unlimited coins. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. So the first step is going to be going into the phone browser. So I just want you guys to go onto the top and type in this website, tweakmod.com. So once you're in this site, I did not spell it right. Let me just type that again. Once you're in this site, guys, we're obviously going to go to the search bar, type in Fishing Planet, and we're going to be all set. So press install, and before it downloads the mod, there is going to be one more step, which is the verification. So what this is you got to download 2 apps and complete the instructions 100% free from the official app store. Once you do this, the Fishing Planet mod will be installed. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just give it a second here for this to load. I don't really do videos like this anymore, but this website actually works, so I had to try it out. And lo and behold, I soon had a Fishing Planet hack actually installed on my device, which is super cool. So let's just give it a second for this to load. And once it loads up, guys, we just got to download 2 apps. So you can see like Underdog says download for 30 seconds, so I could just press on that. Takes me to the App Store, download it. Or I could do like, Swag Bucks, Travel Town, reach level 9, TikTok, download for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of these, guys. You're going to be all set. And that's how I get the Fishing Planet hack for your device. iPhone and Android, guys. Super weird. But hey, if it works for me, should work for you. So as you can see, I'm rich. So yeah, this is wild, bro. So try it out.